Welcome back guys to document understanding video series. To extract the data from PAN card, Aadhaar card or driving license or any kind of PDF or JPG file for that matter, we'll follow these typical steps. These steps would be followed for all the documents no matter what kind of extractor you are using or what kind of document it is. Pay attention to these steps. First of all, we'll list down all the fields to be extracted. That will be done in taxonomy creation and taxonomy loading. Then we will digitize the document, extract the entire text over the document, and then classify the document if it is a PAN, license, or Aadhaar for this example, or what kind of invoice or any other kind of document you are dealing with in your own examples or in your use case. Extraction of the raw data will happen in the next step, wherein the data which is meaningful will be extracted, but it is still raw because it is not validated. Human validation will happen in the next step, wherein we will get the approval or confirmation from a human that the data extracted is correct. Then these next two steps will talk about the export the result into a data table, and then we'll be writing this data table into our output Excel. Let's get to the UiPath Studio to materialize the same steps. Let's start with a new process. Let's call it PAN extraction. And start with a new sequence. Again, I am naming it as PAN extraction. Before we even start, we need to go to manage package and install few of the activities. Go to all packages and look for intelligent, and this is the one I am talking about. Install it, save it, accept. And second one we'll do for document understanding. This is the one. Install this one as well and save it. Once done, you will be able to see taxonomy manager here. Remember our first step? Our first step was the taxonomy. You will be able to see this taxonomy manager in this ribbon when you have both of these packages, intelligent OCR and document understanding, installed. Click on taxonomy manager and here we go. It will ask for group and category. Let's add a new group. PAN card, add a new category, Indian PAN card, let's say. And add a new document type. Let's say PAN card details. You can name it anything. I'm just keeping the name relevant. And now it is time to define the fields which you are going to extract. Click on new field. First one would be holders PAN. What is it? It's a type of number. Save it. Next would be holders name. Save it again. Next field is father's name. Again, the type of field is name. And fourth one, let's say date of birth, which is holder's date of birth, which is a date. The format of the date is optional. I'll provide it as DDMM YYYY and save it. These are the four fields we are going to extract. from the PAN card. Let's save it and close it. Now our first step would be to load this taxonomy which we just defined there. For that, we have this activity called load taxonomy. Drag and drop and create the output variable for it. Control K. I'm naming it as taxonomy variable. Alright, save it. Remember guys, this taxonomy variable which we just created, which is the output of load taxonomy activity, will carry the type of document you are dealing with and the list of fields you are going to extract out of that. And this variable will be used in each and every step here onwards. Let's quickly summarize what we have done so far in this video. So in this video, we created a new process. We installed the intelligent OCR and document understanding packages in our managed packages. Got this taxonomy manager inside the ribbon. Created the taxonomy wherein we created the list of fields to be extracted from a specific document like PAN card in this example. Now the next step is to digitize the document and extract the digitized text into a variable. This is something we will do in our next video. See you there. Thank you.